guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kelly. If you're new to the channel, do well to subscribe and hit the notifications bell to receive more new content from us. Now basically for those that are new to the channel, what we do here, basically we give you information and also give you proper training on the use of our software solutions and also maximize the potential of all of our software solutions, including DorthPro and the like. So DorthPro is one of our flagship sales and inventory system. We make videos on this. We also develop applications on business automations that involves hotel management, hospital management, accounting, assets, sales and inventory, and all of that, right? So welcome again to the channel. Now let's dive into what we have today. So we shall be looking at the financial management menu on DorthPro today. So basically the financial management menu has four menus, four sub menus. So the financial management is basically used for expense management and paying off debt and funding wallets for customers. Those are the three major things it does. So now the first, let's look at posting of expense. Now for those that are using the standard plan down to professional, you will be using this. So if you look at the, maybe you want to see your expenses, you want to know how much you spend from the business, just go to post expenses, so you actually get your net profit. So for those that are using basic plan, your profit may actually be gross because you don't post in your expenses that you make on the business, what you spend from the business. So for you to actually get your net profit, you need to also post in your expense. So the post expense, you simply click on post expense, select the transaction date. So you cannot put in a futuristic date. The system will not allow you to put in a futuristic date. So select transactions, select the expense. These are default expense heads that has been placed in the system. We have rent and utility, fuel and diesel, transportation, salaries and wages, marketing and advertisement, taxes and licenses and others. So and the one that's not here, just click on others. So let's say rent and utility. So under here, let's say pay 10,000 naira. So you put in a description, brief description of what this rent, what you're paying for. Since you say it's utility, it could be, let's say payment for for electricity tariff for let's say September. This is just a description and post expense. That's it. So once you post it, it hits your expense ledger. So if I refresh my page, as an admin, I'll see the daily expense on in here. So it gives me my proper net profit, right? So if I click on daily expense, you see the expense head, the amount, the details, the transaction date, the time it was posted, which is today, and the person that actually posted this expense. So as a posting expense, it will be this expense is actually showing the expense for today, right? So that's our expenses. That's how you post your expense, right? So next, let's now look at pay debt. Now pay debt is actually used to pay off debts that your customers owe. So for example, you see once I click on pay debt, you see XYZ customer, the amount is owing us is 35 and the wallet balance it's 00 naira. So this system only allows you to pay debt using their wallet balance. So it means whatever money they are paying, you need to first of all deposit it into their wallet by clicking on fund wallet, or if you don't want to click on fund wallet, you click on pay debt. If you click on fund wallet, it will ask you to select which of the customer. You see, for example, James and Co investment has 11,750 in his wallet before. The XYZ customer has nothing in his wallet, so you click on the person besides it, then you put in the amount he paid. But let me use this, go over pay debt. Let me go through pay debt. Click on pay debt. Then you can view. Once you view, it will show you all the invoices that this person is owing. All the invoices is owing money from. So you can even click on the invoice number to view that invoice, what makes up that invoice. So you see these are things he bought and the total amount. So if I click on pay here, it tells me insufficient balance, kindly fund customer wallet to continue. So the wallet balance is 0.09, so I can fund it from here, or I come to this fund wallet menu to click on it. So I click on fund account here, it takes me directly to this place. So you see the transaction date, which is today, showing the customer balance and everything. So you put in the amount this person is paying. So let's say he's paying the full amount, or he just deposited any amount. Let's say 5,000 naira is what he deposit. So you select the mode of deposit. Is a cash POS transfer, because system will record it. So let's say deposited cash. If it is transfer, you need to select which bank he transferred the money to. So let's say he's paying with cash, so being deposit for payment, just a description. If you want to, you can give it there. So you click on post payment. Once you click on post payment, that person's account has been funded. So you can print a receipt and give to the customer, showing that they deposited a particular amount of cash, right? And the person that deposited on a particular day, you can print this receipt and give to them. So if you go back to pay debt now, you see now the person is showing 3,500 and his wallet is 5,000. So he has enough money to offset his bill, right? He has enough money to offset his bill. So if I click on view and click on pay, you have 3,500 here. If I click on pay, what happens is that if I click on pay, click on OK, that debt has been cleared successfully. So you see now there's no debt, and if I go back, so there's nobody owing us on the debtors list. So that's the essence of paying debt. So fund wallet, you see when I click on fund wallet, and you see this customer, when we remove that 3,500 that is owing, is now left with 1,500 in his wallet. So once they buy something, they can even also use their wallet to pay for that particular thing, right? So select wallet as mode of payment, you can use that. So then lastly, you can reverse deposit. Maybe before you use it, you want to reverse the deposit after you've made a mistake. Let's say you made a mistake in that deposit, you can just click on this button and you can reverse that deposit for today. That's the essence of that. So thank you so much for watching. You can put, if you have any question, you can put it in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and if there's any comment or any questions, you can ask us. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.